If your coffee fails to extract properly, there are two possible causes. The coffee grounds are too fine, resulting in disrupted extraction. We recommend using medium-coarse grounds, as they deliver optimal extraction pressure and great coffee flavor. 2. Too much coffee grounds. Tamping the grounds too firmly can also cause failure to extract any coffee or result in a low flow rate. 3. Some coffee machines may also experience a water pump airlock issue. If the water tank runs out of water during operation, refill it with water. But due to the design of the water pump's pipeline, pressing the extraction button will still result in extraction failure. The correct procedure is to release the steam to resolve the airlock issue. Then turn on the hot water function. Normal hot water flow means the machine is ready for proper extraction. Hope this helps enhance your coffee extraction experience.